Welcome to EF Pod English. Brought to you by EF Education First and Englishtown. Learn anytime, anywhere. Pod English Intermediate 63. Trends and Fashions.
Hi! It's good to see you. It's good to see you. You look great.
Thanks! I've been shopping!
Today we're going to look at some useful words and phrases to do with fashion. Phrases like all the rage, in fashion, and to change your image. Oh yes, and out of date. We're also going to look at the present perfect continuous. Like, I've been looking for the perfect pair of shoes, and now I've found them.
Look at all the things I bought! Can
Wow,
you believe
you've done a lot
it?
of shopping.
Oh, so much. There's so many good things happening out there
Show
on
me
the
what you
streets.
got. What you got?
Okay, first of all, I bought these fabulous, stunning, perfect pair of boots.
It's time for the movie.
Hey, Katie. Look at these boots I bought. Aren't they fabulous?
Those are great. You must have paid a fortune for them, though.
Not really. They were discounted 50%. The mall across the street is having a half-off sale on all of last year's designs.
Maybe I should go. Is that where you usually shop?
Not usually, but I've been looking for boots like these for a while. They're all the rage right now. Where do you like to go?
To tell the truth, I haven't gone out clothes shopping for a while. So those boots are the in thing now. Are they real leather?
100% leather. Leather is really in fashion right now. It's amazing how fast trends change.
I know what you mean. I feel like my entire wardrobe is totally out of date. Your clothes are pretty trendy. You always seem to have something new. What do you recommend? How can I change my image?
Well, fur trim is hot right now. And everyone is wearing sunglasses and scarves. You need to have a scarf.
Wow, they look expensive.
Not at all. 50% discount.
Oh,
50%,
wow.
I promise. Look at that one. Look at the heel on that.
I've been looking for boots like these for a while.
Joanna says, I've been looking for boots like these for a while. I've been looking. This phrase is made up of I have been plus the ing form of the verb. This form is called the present perfect continuous. This means that until very recently, Joanna was looking for some boots. There is a connection with now or the present.
What else did you get?
Look at this. I bought this beautiful top. I love. I mean, look at this. Feel the fabric. Oh,
Let's look at some more examples. You have a new outfit. Have you been shopping? I have no money left. I've been buying too many clothes. In these sentences, the actions are very recent or still happening. There is a connection with now. This is the present perfect continuous. Well done. Well, let's now look at some useful words or phrases to do with fashion. What else does Joanna say about her boots?
They're all the rage right now.
They're all the rage. This means that the boots are very fashionable and popular. Everyone wants a pair. Here are some other words that Joanna and Katie used which also mean fashionable. The in thing. These boots are the in thing. They are in fashion. Trendy. Katie thinks Joanna has trendy clothes. Hot. If something is in fashion, you can say it's hot. Fur trim is hot right now. Well, we've learnt the words which mean the same as fashionable. Can you spot a word which means the opposite in this clip from the movie?
I feel like my entire wardrobe is totally out of date.
I feel like my entire wardrobe is out of date.
silver.
Wow, who are you going to pick up with this?
Oh, you never know, do you? I've totally been feeling like I needed to shop forever because my wardrobe is totally out of date.
Oh, this is great too.
This is going to change my entire image.
Out of date means old-fashioned or not fashionable. It sounds like Katie needs to do something.
How can I change my image?
How can I change my image? To change your image means to change the way you look.
How fun though, I had so much fun.
Yeah, it sounds good.
Yeah,
Good.
I look like a completely new girl now.
You
I've
do,
got this
you do.
totally
The style is completely different.
Totally new image.
It's great, it's great.
Read the situation. Finish the sentence using the present perfect continuous. Use the verb shop. That's right, she has been shopping. Use the words to make a sentence in the present perfect continuous. I've been looking for some boots like these for a while. Now it's time to remember some of those words we learnt today. Can you fill in the gap with words that mean the same as fashionable? Well done if you got just some of these. You could say, Joanna's boots are trendy, hot, the in thing, or all the rage. Finally, can you think of a phrase which means old-fashioned? Complete the sentence. That's right. My wardrobe is out of date.
Okay, we need to go shopping and get you a new outfit.
Me, go shopping, don't I look fine like this?
No! We need to get you into some really cool threads so that you can
Okay.
come to this party with me. What do you say?
It's been a busy lesson today, but I think I've still got time to go shopping for some trendy clothes. Today we've looked at lots of words and phrases about clothes and fashion. Some which mean the same as fashionable, like trendy, hot, the in thing, and all the rage. And other phrases like out of date and to change your image. We've also been looking at the present perfect continuous. Like, I've been looking for some boots like these for a while.
Well, let's go shopping then.
That sounds
Come
great.
on.
Let's go.
Let's go. Except I've got so many bags.
Do you
I
need
can
some
barely.
help?
Yeah, I can only carry some. We can
I
get
hope
you
you've
some
enjoyed the
really
lesson.
cool
I'm
things.
looking forward.
Join us again soon. Bye.